You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word that is very confusing from French. It means simply after or after in French. Let's listen carefully to the French pronunciation and then how you can easily say it in English. Après. The S is silent because it's French. They like having silent letters, especially at the end of words. Après. The accent on the E makes an E sound, very open. It's not E. That would be acute accent. This is E. Après. Après. In English, you can say après. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.